Unit No. 01. Lecture No. 04. Historical background, ancient civilizations in the region. Subject, Pakistan Studies. BS Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian MLISC. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. Historical background, ancient civilizations in the region. Chapter, Introduction to Pakistan. Topic, Historical background, ancient civilizations in the region. Contents. 1. Ancient civilizations in the region. 2. Influence of foreign invaders. 3. Islamic empires in the region. 4. British colonial rule. 5. Emergence of Pakistan. 6. Geography and natural resources. 7. Conclusion. 8. References and recommended books. 1. Introduction. The region now comprising Pakistan has been the heartland of some of the world's earliest civilizations. Its geographic position, bridging South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East, made it a crossroads of cultures, trade routes, and imperial ambitions. Understanding these civilizations provides insight into the socio-cultural foundations of the region. 1. Ancient civilizations in the region. 1. The Indus Valley Civilization, circa 2600 to 1900 BCE. 1 of the earliest complex urban societies in human history. 2 major sites: Harappa, Punjab; Mohenjo-daro, Sindh; Dhalavira. 3 urban planning with grid layouts, brick houses, and drainage systems. 4 economy based on agriculture and trade with Mesopotamia. 5 religion focused on fertility and purity rituals. 6 decline due to climatic changes or invasions. 1 Indus Valley Civilization. 1 flourished in the Indus River Basin, one of the earliest urban civilizations, dating back to 3300 BCE. 2 developed sophisticated urban planning and sanitation systems. Thrived through agriculture, trade, and technological advancements. 3 declined around 1900 BCE due to climate changes and natural disasters. Paved the way for later civilizations in the region. Two, the Aryan and Vedic period c. 1500 to 500 BCE. 1 Indo-Aryan migrations introduced Sanskrit and Vedic religion. 2 Emergence of caste system and tribal republics Janapadas. 3 Early philosophical and religious development Vedas. 3 The Achaemenid and Greek invasions 6th to 4th century BCE. 1 Persian rule under Darius I introduced administrative systems and trade networks. 2 Alexander the Great's invasion, 326 BCE, brought Hellenistic influences. 3 These encounters enhanced cultural and artistic exchange. 4 Gandhara civilization, 4th century BC, 5th century c. 1 Flourished in modern-day Pakistan. Blended Greco-Buddhist art and culture. 2 Prominent center of Buddhism. Produced renowned Buddhist sculptures and monasteries. 3 Gandhara civilization, Taxila, Peshawar, merged Greek and Buddhist art. 4 Taxila became a major center of learning. 5 Key role in spreading Buddhism to East Asia. 5 Maurya Empire, 4th century BC, 5th century CE. 1 Extensive territory. The Maurya Empire ruled over a vast region, including parts of modern-day Pakistan. 2 Ashoka's reign. Ashoka, the renowned Maurya emperor, embraced Buddhism and promoted its spread in the region. 3 Architectural achievements. The Mauryas left behind impressive architectural legacies, such as the Ashokan pillars in the area. 4 Mauryan Empire unified the subcontinent. Ashoka promoted Buddhism. 6 Later empires and cultural continuity. 1 Kushan and Hun rulers sustained Gandhara's prosperity. 2 Silk Route trade connected the region with China and Central Asia. 3 Cultural pluralism and artistic excellence continued. 2 Influence of foreign invaders. Persian and Greek invasions. 1 Achaemenid Persian conquest. Established Persian rule in the region in 6th century BCE. 2 Macedonian invasion under Alexander. Conquered the Achaemenid Empire, establishing Greek influence. Arab conquests. 1. Expansion of Islamic Empire. Conquest of Sind region by Arab forces in the 8th century CE. 2. Spread of Islam. Gradual conversion of local population to Islam. 3. Administrative reforms. Establishment of Islamic governance and legal systems. 3. Islamic empires in the region. Ghaznavid dynasty. 1. Established dominance. The Ghaznavid dynasty ruled over parts of modern-day Pakistan and Afghanistan from the 11th to 12th centuries. 2. Patronage of the arts. The Ghaznavids were known for their patronage of Persian literature, architecture, and culture. 3. Military expansion. The Ghaznavid Empire expanded its territories through military campaigns led by rulers like Mahmud of Ghazni. Delhi Sultanate. 1. Established in 1206. The Delhi Sultanate was a Muslim sultanate that ruled parts of South Asia. 2. Expansion under Iltutmish. Iltutmish consolidated and expanded the Delhi Sultanate's control over northern India. 3. Decline and fall. The Delhi Sultanate declined in the 14th century and was eventually conquered by the Mughals. Mughal Empire. 1. Established in 1526. The Mughal Empire ruled the Indian subcontinent for over 300 years. 2. Expansion under Akbar. Akbar the Great expanded the Mughal Empire to its greatest territorial extent. 3. Decline and downfall. The Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century due to internal conflicts and the rise of the British East India Company. 4. British colonial rule. East India Company. 1. Established dominance. The East India Company gradually gained political and economic control over the Indian subcontinent. 2. Expansion of territories. The company expanded its territories through military conquests and diplomatic negotiations. 3. Administrative reforms. The company implemented administrative reforms to streamline governance and taxation in its colonies. Partition of India. 1. Emergence of two-nation theory. Conflicting religious and political ideologies led to the demand for a separate Muslim state. 2. Communal tensions. Escalating violence and riots between Hindus and Muslims during the late colonial period. 3. Attainment of independence. Partition of the Indian subcontinent into the independent nations of India and Pakistan in 1947. 5. Emergence of Pakistan. Establishment of the Islamic Republic. 1. Partition of British India. The partition of British India led to the creation of the independent state of Pakistan in 1947. 2. Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Jinnah's leadership and vision were instrumental in the establishment of Pakistan as an independent nation. 3. Islamic Constitution. The Constitution of 1956 declared Pakistan an Islamic republic, establishing Islam as the state religion. Challenges and developments. 1. Partition of British India. Partition of British India led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. 2. Economic challenges. Pakistan faced significant economic challenges due to partition. 3. Political instability. Political instability and military coups plagued Pakistan in early years. 6. Geography and natural resources. Diverses landscapes. Un varié terrain. Pakistan's geography encompasses diverse landscapes, from the Karakoram and Himalayan mountain ranges to the vast Indus River plain. 2. Abundant natural resources. Pakistan is endowed with a wealth of natural resources, including fertile agricultural lands, mineral deposits, and energy sources. Unique ecosystems. The country's diverse climate and geography support a wide range of ecosystems, from alpine meadows to coastal mangrove forests. Abundant natural resources. Un divers terrain. Pakistan's varied geography includes mountains, deserts, and coastlines. 2. Mineral wealth. Pakistan is rich in natural resources such as coal, gas, and precious stones. Abundant natural resources.
Un divers terrain.
Pakistan's varied geography includes mountains, deserts, and coastlines. 2. Mineral wealth. Pakistan is rich in natural resources such as coal, gas, and precious stones. 3. Agricultural potential. Fertile lands and abundant water resources support Pakistan's agricultural sector. Strategic location. 1. Geopolitical significance. Pakistan's location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East gives it strategic importance. 2. Access to sea routes. Pakistan's coastline provides access to major sea trade routes, enhancing its economic and military potential. 3. Proximity to energy resources. Pakistan's proximity to the energy-rich regions of the Middle East and Central Asia is economically advantageous. Historical significance. 1. Demonstrates antiquity and continuity of settlement. 2. Influenced later Islamic and colonial institutions. 3. Archaeological sites like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Taxila symbolize Pakistan's ancient heritage. 7. Conclusion. 1. Ancient civilizations of the Indus region form the foundation of Pakistan's cultural identity. 2. They illustrate its role as a center of innovation and cross-cultural interaction. 3. Pakistan's history is thus deeply rooted in the enduring legacy of the Indus Basin. 8. References and recommended books. Ikram S. M. 1997. A Concise History of Pakistan. Karachi, Oxford University Press. A classic account of Pakistan's historical evolution from ancient civilizations to modern times.
Malik, Iftikhar H. 2008.
The History of Pakistan. Westport, Connecticut, Greenwood Press. Offers a comprehensive overview, including the Indus Valley Civilization and early cultural developments. Khan Hamid, 2017. Constitutional and Political History of Pakistan. Karachi, Oxford University Press. Provides historical context for Pakistan's formation, beginning with ancient and regional backgrounds. Eight. References and recommended books. Ikram S. M. 1997. A Concise History of Pakistan. Karachi, Oxford University Press. A classic account of Pakistan's historical evolution from ancient civilizations to modern times.
Malik, Iftikhar H. 2008.
The History of Pakistan. Westport, Connecticut, Greenwood Press. Offers a comprehensive overview, including the Indus Valley Civilization and early cultural developments. Khan Hamid, 2017. Constitutional and Political History of Pakistan. Karachi, Oxford University Press. Provides historical context for Pakistan's formation, beginning with ancient and regional backgrounds. Pakistan Studies Textbook Board. Latest edition. Pakistan Studies for BS/BA level. Lahore, Punjab Textbook Board. Official curriculum text covering Introduction to Pakistan and its ancient civilizations. Unit No. 01. Lecture No. 04. Historical background. Ancient civilizations in the region. Thank you. Subject. Pakistan Studies. BS Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian Imlias C. Government Girls Degree College KTS Haripur.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. it's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine,